Holy shit. Holy shit, I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. If you get all these things, I'll get you life insurance. My first you to go down, but if he harasses you, I'll pay out on your insurance. Go on, give it a kid. Yeah. That was a creeper. If I'd have jumped out, I would have avoided it. The creeper was attracted to me. The creeper